We're trying to get this to market for brain tumors. We're very focused in on the dendritic cell approach as opposed to the T cell and checkpoint inhibitor approach. Our first generation of this technology has made it through phase 1 and phase 2 trial, showing improvement in survival. We are working on the third generation technology, and I introduced to you some data today to show you what we have. Okay. So on the left-hand side is human published data. These are Kaplan-Meier survival plots, and the group of patients that did not respond to therapy survived about 15 months. Those patients that did respond to therapy extended their survival out about 6 to 7 months. This is unpublished animal data where we compare our third generation to our first generation. This solid line here is rodent model for glioma. Animals that received the first generation vaccine survived about 60 days. Animals that received a third generation vaccine survived 81 days, which is roughly a 35% improvement in survival. How does this procedure work? A neurosurgeon comes in, isolates the tumor without killing the patient, sends the tumor cells to the laboratory. They also isolate blood from the patient and send them to the lab as well. We then mix the tumor antigens with cells that we've isolated from blood. These specialized immune cells we call dendritic cells. We effectively train these dendritic cells to be really good at antigen presentation to give to the rest of the immune system the zip code to attack and kill cancer. What we've done for third generation is that we've added in a proprietary blend of toll-like receptor adjuvants. These are adjuvants that stimulate signaling pathways, which has already been shown to enhance immune responses in other indications. So we give these highly trained immune cells back to the patient, and they instruct the rest of the immune system to attack the cancer. Next slide. Okay. So brief overview, our first generation parent therapy made it through phase 2 for the first time, moved the needle with survival in treating this orphan disease. Last fall, we obtained orphan drug designation for this third generation technology. Just a little bit of market analysis here. I mentioned before, it's just shy of $1 billion market to date. About 5 years from now, it's estimated to almost be a $3 billion market. There's a strong unmet need, obviously, for these patients, and we'd like to think we'll have some decent penetration if our hypothesis is correct and we take this technology to market. Next slide, please. Okay. Company highlights. Last year, we obtained orphan drug status. This year, we plan to file an IND and uplist out of OTC markets to a major exchange, including NASDAQ. We plan to partner with a manufacturing company to generate our last bit of data. We'll be making that announcement soon, and the list goes on. We filed an S1 last year for those investors who are out there, and we are prepared to receive bigger funds moving forward. Thank you for your time.